Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by updating your GPU drivers to the latest official NVIDIA or AMD release. Use the manufacturer installer and reboot after the update. If you encounter instability, use for a clean driver reinstall before reinstalling drivers. Next, set your Windows power plan to high performance to avoid CPU or GPU downclocking. Confirm power settings in Control Panel and plug in laptops for full performance. These steps ensure the GPU runs at intended clocks during Valorant matches. Open Valorant settings and change graphics for consistent FPS during play. Set render scale to 90% or 85% to increase frames with minimal visual loss. Disable VSync to reduce input lag and instead set an FPS cap for stability. Enable multi-core rendering to let Valorant use multiple CPU cores effectively. Reduce material, texture, and detail settings to low or medium for smoother performance. These adjustments prioritize frame rate and responsiveness while keeping visual clarity for aiming. Open the NVIDIA or AMD control panel to force GPU-specific optimizations for Valorant. Set power management mode to prefer maximum performance to prevent automatic downclocking during matches. Turn off or override background image scaling to reduce driver interference. Use monitoring tools like MSI Afterburner to observe GPU temperature, core clock, and usage in real time. Keep GPU temperatures below 85 degrees Celsius and avoid aggressive overclocking if stability issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.